Hey, what's going on, YouTube family? We are back on XAUUSD gold with another live market analysis. We're just barely in pre-New York right now. It's currently 6:47 a.m. Eastern. I just wanted to give everybody kind of a live markup of what I'm looking at on gold. And I got to be honest, everyone, the volume has dropped, right? The volume has dropped massively as we've headed into December, as we ran into the end of the year. I just want to show everybody a glance at the daily time frame because this is when you can really get the picture of it. November 26th, November 29th, we hit a floor. I mean, even before then, November 23rd, like the kind of the last week of November, we hit this floor. And as we shifted into the last, 2-3 days of November, we started to get a little bit more volume to the downside. And as soon as we hit December 1st, we've gone into straight consolidation, straight sideways movement. So looking for, any type of massive higher time frame breakouts, most likely not going to happen in these last couple of weeks of December, but we have to be open to it, right? We always have to be dynamic. We always have to be fluid and flowing with the chart. So I'm looking for price to go bullish. And I would like to see price break past 1790, 4-hour level right here, as well as kind of, this whole high side region where we see these long wicks coming through, kind of clear through that entire area and rush up to next daily key level. However, if that doesn't happen, which is going to be most likely the case, because like I said, we're gonna need a big volume spike, a big push for price to be able to break out of such a strong region like that. But that is what I'm looking at for the upside. However, if we can't see any bullish momentum or anything like that, and price doesn't want to sustain itself back up above these intraday levels, then we see price snap down below 1782, this 4-hour level at the low side. That's kind of where I'd be looking to short it back into kind of 1767 or any of these intraday lows down here. Because just like I was saying, right, this is a H4 key area. We've been in massive consolidation. There's a reason why we've been in massive consolidation, because it's in the lowest volume time of the year. And so, we're going to need that big volume boost to be able to break out of there. And so we're just going to stay fluid with the markets, right? If it's not going to present us what we're looking for, we can hop into some scalps, right? We can hop into some smaller intraday trades and just be able to trade. But weekly time frame, right? The weekly time frame is key. And this is really where I'm paying attention to as we head into the new year, because the intraday stuff, the stuff we see on the hourly, the 2-hour, the 15-minute, all of that, it's good, it's Gucci, but we always got to remain in motion with the macros, right? We always got to remain in motion with what we're looking at on these higher time frames. And so I am still looking to see price pull back off of this massive rejection that we saw over the past month from after running into 1767. Those were the lows I was looking to see get taken out. We fully took out those levels. And if we just throw the inverted chart on here, because I know that some people can see sells better, some people can see buys better. And if we just throw the inverted chart on here, we'll see exactly where we're rejecting from. Can even throw a little bit of this blockage down there. Just for visual preference, right? I don't really use trend lines for entries too much. More so for visual preference. But I hope that makes sense with everybody. So I'm looking for breaks of 1790. But like I said, it's going to need to be a clean, solid break with a really good retest. And then on the flip side, if we can't see that and we get a snap down below this H4 level, then it's most likely we're heading back into the downside of the consolidation range. All right, family. So I hope everybody got some value from that. I hope that made sense. Drop a subscribe for more. And I did have a couple of people asking for private mentorship. So the link is in the description for that if you are interested in plugging in. Thank you, family. Stay blessed, and I will see you on the next video.